What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my first impressions of the newly announced and very unique Fujifilm X Half. It's a compact camera that blends vintage aesthetics with modern features, or as I like to describe it, the love child of the X100VI and Instax cameras. Let's begin with the design. The X Half is available in three colors: black, my personal favorite, silver, and charcoal silver. It boasts a retro rangefinder style body, reminiscent of classic film cameras. Amplified by the vintage texture wrapped around the body, it's compact, weighing just 243 grams and measuring around 100 by 65 by 55 millimeters, making it pocket-friendly and ideal for everyday carry. Under the hood, the X Half features a 17.7 megapixel 1-inch sensor, paired with a fixed 10mm f2.8 lens, which is around a 28mm full-frame equivalent focal length, perfect for capturing wide environmental scenes. The combination delivers decent 3x4 images. However, it's worth noting the absence of in-body image stabilization, and it only shoots in JPEG. Now, before you start thinking what kind of camera in this day and age doesn't have IBIS and only shoots in JPEG, I believe it's because the X Half is more geared towards the art and creative side of photography, rather than the technical aspects. There's plenty of cameras in the Fujifilm lineup that cater to those needs, but none that approach photography quite like this, inviting a new generation of creators and old-school filmmakers all at once with its charm and nostalgic vibes. Who knows? I just feel it's a brave move from Fujifilm that could backfire in the short term, but equally could become the next must-have camera like the X100VI series in the future. One of the many unique features is the vertical LCD screen, optimized for portrait orientation and a nod to the trend of vertical content. The new film camera mode lets you select and shoot in one of 13 iconic Fujifilm simulations with a 36, 54, or 72 virtual film roll. Now, for someone who personally avoided film photography mainly due to its cost and lack of personal knowledge, I really enjoyed using this feature for two reasons. Firstly, coming from a purely digital photography background, not being able to preview my images was somewhat liberating. Secondly, being limited to a number of photos by the virtual film roll was also a joy and a constraint that allowed me to be a bit more mindful with every photo I took. Additionally, the new 2-in-1 feature allows you to capture diptychs, two images that sit side by side, emulating the feel of traditional film strips. This mode encourages storytelling through paired images, adding a creative layer to your photography, forcing you to slow down and think about your image-making process in a brand new way. It also has 11 Instax filters, 3 of which are brand new, including light leaks, halation, and expired fill. The X Half keeps things simple, with manual controls including an exposure compensation dial and an aperture ring on the lens. It also features an optical viewfinder for those who prefer composing shots without relying solely on the LCD. And the flash is easily activated through a simple switch on the side, a frame advance lever used for the 2-in-1 feature, and of course the film camera mode, which is very reminiscent of old film cameras. The rest of the interface and controls are accessed via a touchscreen in combination with the main LCD and sub-menu screen. It comes with its very own dedicated X Half app, allowing you to easily download your photos to your phone to create in-app diptychs, view your film camera roll, and connect to an Instax printer. Fujifilm seems to be targeting content creators and photography enthusiasts who appreciate a blend of nostalgia, classic design, and modern functionality. After spending a few months with this camera, the analogy of the X100VI and Instax love child dawned on me. It offers those carefree, fun characteristics of an Instax experience, whilst having enough technical know-how to make photos with intent. It's the epitome of a social camera in every sense. Firstly, in the traditional sense, it's compact enough to take with you on any occasion with friends and family, while still enjoying the moment and being present, and simultaneously being able to capture contents for your social platforms. Saying that, this camera is geared towards someone who chooses to share emotion over pixel perfection. So whether you're capturing daily moments or crafting content for social media, the X-Half certainly offers a unique shooting experience in a world full of sameness. But be warned, all this creativity packed into such a compact designs comes with a not-so-compact price tag of £699. In summary, the Fujifilm X-Half is a stylish, compact camera that pays homage to vintage photography while catering to contemporary content creation needs. Its fixed lens, vertical LCD and creative shooting modes make it a compelling choice for those seeking a distinctive photographic tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions on the X-Half in the comments below. Feel free to support the channel by hitting subscribe, the notification bell, and all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Mr. Whisper over and out. Peace.